I'm Captain America, this is Rob, and we're about to wrap a rap, so let's begin. Your Sweet 16 is almost here. Now take a seat and lend me your ear. The rap I'll be saying is all about you, how you're an awesome friend, and happy birthday too. Now let's start where we all began. Do you remember in gym class when we ran? You were keeping your pace and running laps around that track. You would probably outrun me in a zombie attack. I'll always remember how you're Batman, girl. You, me, and our friends, always saving the world. And don't forget our trips to Langley Mart, how you're a master at mooching, such an annoying art. But me and Sahara for a bit of change, and how you and Chris got all monster deranged.
Hey Batman, it's Robin here to say you're gonna have an awesome time at your party. Remember all the times at Riverbend getting drowned by Andrew and Charles Simpson? Those times were the best, even though we almost died, but we did see a bunch of hot lifeguard guys. Remember at your house playing volleyball and drinking Monster while running around the mall? Out of all those times, I have to say, today will be the best because it's your party.
You're my bud, my friend, and a good one too. We'll be sisters no matter what we do. And I know this might sound a bit cliched, but happy birthday, Maddie. Today's your day.
Word.
Yeah.